Grand Rising, good people. We out here at it early and often as usual. It's a beautiful Monday, man. Mondays we tend to get the truck right for the week. We tend to go get chemicals. We tend to do all the things necessary to prepare us to go through a smooth week, man. Just out here at the truck, man, getting ready to get up out of here, man. I just changed this swivel right here. It's been leaking for quite some time, and I finally got a chance to go out to get a couple of things and pick up a couple of these, man. These were actually on sale, man, for $49. Can you believe that? 49 bucks, man. It ain't what you make, it's what you keep, gentlemen. It's a free country. Take your time, research where you're buying your parts, where you're buying your supplies. It's a free country, and it's my duty to choose who I spend my money with, just like it's everybody else's duty to choose who they serve. You dig? Y'all wash on, man. Go kill it today. Peace.